So guys, you can see this is gigabyte.com. This is officially website. You can download driver. Okay, so right side is search key, click to search, then Z890 Z890 UD, and then hit enter. Then you can see here the product. Then click here. Then click to support. Then select operating system Windows 10 and 11. If you have a Windows 10 now, so you can install that, but follow this same method because installation process same. Chipset driver, so download, this is first one, and click download. Then click on downloaded chipset driver, double click to exe file, then click to yes. Then close it, it is done.